In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record the sale of a fixed asset in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove the asset from your books, record the cash you received, and capture any gain or loss on the sale, all using a single journal entry. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. From your main dashboard, look for the New button, usually near the top left of the screen. Click on that, and a menu will open. Under the section labeled Other, choose Journal Entry. This is where we'll record everything related to the sale in one place, instead of using multiple transactions. At the top of the journal entry window, check the date. Make sure it matches the actual date of the sale, not today's date if they're different. This is important for accurate financial reports. Next, in the description or memo field, enter a clear title, such as Sale of Asset Name. Use something that you, your accountant, or anyone reviewing your books will quickly understand later. Now let's work through the debits, which will usually go on the left side of the entry. On the first line, select your accumulated depreciation account associated with this asset. Enter a debit for the full balance of accumulated depreciation on that asset. This step clears out all the depreciation you've recorded over time. If there was a loan tied directly to this asset, like an equipment loan, add a second line. Choose the loan payable account and debit the remaining loan balance. This closes out that liability if it's being fully paid off as part of the sale. Next, on another line, choose the bank account where you received the money, typically your checking account. Enter a debit for the amount of cash you actually received from the buyer. This reflects the inflow of cash from the sale. Now we move to the credits. Add a new line and select the fixed asset account for this item, the one that holds its original purchase cost. Enter a credit for that original cost. This removes the asset from your books. Finally, you'll handle the gain or loss. Add one more line and choose either a gain on sale of asset income account or a loss on sale of asset expense account. If the sale price plus any loan payoff is more than the asset's net book value, you'll credit the gain account. If it's less, you'll debit the loss account. Adjust this amount so that the total debits equal the total credits. Once everything balances and the accounts look correct, click Save to finalize the journal entry and record the sale.